Computing total_seconds in Python for datetime module with true division enabled. I'm trying to do some computations on date. I have a time delta object, and I want to get the number of seconds. It seems like dt.total_seconds does exactly what I need, but unfortunately it was introduced in Python 2.7 and I'm stuck with an older version. If I read the official documentation, it states the following. Return the total number of seconds contained in the duration, equivalent to td.microseconds plus td.seconds plus td.days asterisk 24 asterisk 3600 asterisk 10 asterisk asterisk 6 slash 10 asterisk asterisk 6 computed with true division enabled. And after looking at the source of the datetime module in C, I see something like this. So while the computation of total_seconds seems trivial, that leaves me wondering what this true division actually means. I couldn't find any info on the topic. What happens if I just use regular division? Why do we need this true division and what does it do? Can I just write total_seconds in Python with the equivalent given in the doc?
With true division, 1/2 would result in 0.5. The default behavior in Python 2.x is to use integer division, where 1/2 would result in 0. Here is the explanation from the docs. Plain or long integer division yields an integer of the same type. The result is that of mathematical division with the floor function applied to the result. To enable true division on Python 2.2 or higher, not necessary on Python 3.x, you can use the following. Alternatively, you can just make one of the arguments a float to get the same behavior.
The easiest way to do this, when you're using numbers in the code anyway, is to use a float on the first division. If you use 10.0**6, your result will be a float, which means that all further numbers in the formula will be float as well, which leads to true division.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.